Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print only the email message body in landscape or portrait mode in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app, where you can access your emails online. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already, and wait for your inbox to fully load before proceeding. Now that your emails are visible, direct your attention to the inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. Browse through your inbox and look for the specific email you want to print. Once you find it, click on the email to select it. The email content will now appear in the preview pane on the right side of your screen, allowing you to read the full message. Next, look at the top right corner of this preview pane. You'll notice a three-dot icon there, which represents additional options for managing your email. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform. From the list of options that appears, locate and click on Print. This action will open the Outlook Print Settings window, giving you control over how your email will be printed. In the Print Settings window, you'll see several options to customize your printouts. To adjust the page orientation between landscape or portrait mode, find the Layout drop-down menu and click on it. From here, select your preferred orientation depending on how you want the email to appear on paper. Landscape works well for wider content, while portrait is ideal for standard text-based emails. Now here's the important part for printing only the message body. Look for an option labeled More Settings within the print window and click on it. This will expand additional printing options that give you more control over what appears on your printout. Among these options, you'll see a checkbox labeled Headers and Footers. By default, this is usually checked, which means the email header information will be included in your print. To remove the header and print only the message body, click on this checkbox to uncheck it. Once you've configured both your layout preference and removed the headers and footers, you're all set. Click the print button to finalize your settings and send the email to your printer. The email message body will now print in your chosen orientation without any unnecessary header information. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to print only the email message body in your preferred layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.